Hello and welcome back to Fast Learning Podcast. I'm Jim.
And I'm Anna. We're here to help you navigate real-life English situations, and today we're going on a trip.
That's right. One of the most stressful places for English learners can be an airport. There are announcements, forms to fill out, and important questions to answer.
Exactly. So in this episode, we're going to learn all the essential phrases you'll need, from check-in to security to baggage claim. We'll make it simple and stress-free.
And as always, we'll act out all the conversations ourselves. Fasten your seatbelts and let's begin with our...
Okay, our first phrase is the very first thing you'll do. I'm here to check in. I'm here to check in.
This is what you say when you approach the airline counter. You can add your name and destination. Hello, I'm here to check in for flight 402 to London.
Perfect. Now the agent will need your travel documents. You'll likely hear this question. Could I see your passport and ticket, please? Could I see your passport and ticket, please?
Could I see is a very polite way to ask for something. You might also hear, may I have your passport, please?
Next, a very important choice. Window or aisle? Window or aisle?
This is the agent asking if you prefer a seat by the window or a seat on the aisle, the walkway between the rows. You can simply answer, window, please, or aisle, please.
Now, what about your luggage? You need to know this phrase. I'd like to check this bag. I'd like to check this bag.
This means you want to put your large suitcase in the airplane's cargo hold, not carry it on. The small bag you take with you is your carry-on.
And finally, a phrase you'll hear at security and the gate. Boarding will begin at...
Boarding will begin at... This tells you when you can get on the plane. Always listen for your boarding time and your gate number. Okay, Anna, let's imagine we're at the airport. You can be the airline agent first.
Hello, sir. Could I see your passport and ticket, please?
Of course, here you go. I'm here to check in for flight 207 to Madrid.
Thank you. Do you have any bags to check?
Yes, I'd like to check this bag, please.
Okay, just place it on the scale, all right. Window or aisle?
Aisle, please.
Okay, here is your boarding pass. Your seat is 23B, and boarding will begin at 10:20 at gate B7.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a pleasant flight.
Now, let's go through security. I'll be the security officer.
Okay,
Next, could I see your boarding pass, please?
here you go. Do you have any liquids or laptops in your carry-on bag? Yes, I have a laptop in my bag.
Okay, please take it out and place it in a separate bin. Please step through the scanner.
Great, you're all set. Have a good flight. Thank you. And finally, let's imagine we've landed. I'm at the baggage claim, but my suitcase isn't there. I need to go to the lost luggage office. You be the agent.
Hello, how can I help you?
Hi, I can't find my luggage. My flight was 207 from Toronto.
I'm sorry to hear that. Do you have your baggage claim tag?
Yes, right here.
Okay, we'll start a trace. Could you fill out this form, please? We will contact you as soon as we locate your bag.
Thank you. I can't find my luggage and baggage claim tag are such important phrases to know.
Now, it's time for...
Fluency Builder. In Fluency Builder, we help you sound natural and polite. In formal situations like an airport, using could I or would it be possible to is much better than I want.
That's right. Instead of I want a window seat, try could I possibly get a window seat, or would it be possible to change my seat?
Another great tip is to use I'm sorry, I didn't catch that if you don't understand the agent. Airports can be noisy. This is more polite than just saying what.
And if you need help, don't be shy. You can ask any airport staff. Excuse me, could you help me? I'm looking for gate B7.
People are usually happy to help a traveler. Using these polite phrases will make your journey much smoother.
Okay, let's do a super quick review of the key interactions.
Hello, I'm here to check in.
Could I see your passport?
I'd like to check this bag.
Window or aisle?
Aisle, please.
Boarding will begin at 10:20.
I can't find my luggage. Do you have your baggage claim tag?
We hope this episode makes your next trip through the airport much less stressful. Let us know in the comments, what's your next travel destination?
Until next time, safe travels and keep practicing.
Thanks for listening. Goodbye.
Bye.